Now, Victory Outreach Ministries operates in an area of this country that has seen years of civil war. And for a number of years, people were reduced to concentrated camps. And life in concentrated camps is very bad in many ways. But one of the things it did is that it promoted the spread of AIDS, HIV. And I must say that northern region is very high in the percentage of people living with AIDS and HIV, much more than even in other parts of the country. Uganda, we know that HIV/AIDS is a problem, but it's even worse in the areas that we operate. So, as a ministry, we have opened ourselves to deal and to reach and to help and support people that are living with HIV/AIDS. And so we have registered a club, a group, which we call Kisarot Post Association. Kisarot simply means God's grace. And they call themselves the people who are living on God's grace, Kisarot Post Test Association. And we have registered up to now about 600 people. So we bring them together every Friday, so once a week, where a number of activities is done, including training, counseling, and they have group discussion just to support each other and to encourage them. But as a ministry, we intend to pursue other support and help for them in areas of training and creating awareness. They need a lot of training and guidance on how to live positively. But also even the community as a large would need a lot of help so that they would understand how they can protect themselves against this problem, but also how they will respond to people who are already affected with HIV, AIDS. Well, we also need a lot of social support. We are thinking that we would support their families. There are families that are only children left. The parents have all died. There are families that the father is dead and the widow is also HIV, and even some of the children are HIV and that kind of thing. So we would need to empower them so that they can generate something to hand them, what they can feed on and what they can afford to treat themselves. But we also want to have a center which is like a clinic outreach for them, where they would get counseling, their drugs and testing. And so these are some of the things that we are thinking about. We have already trained 35 members of the group who are now counselors, and we want to facilitate them so that they can reach their friends, they can do home visits, and that is a number. That means visiting 600 people. So that is the kind of thing we are involved in with HIV/AIDS people.